Namaskar friends. In today's video of English session, I will try to explain about gerund. What is gerund and what is its role in English translation? Now I come to the definition. A gerund allows you to take an action and talk about it as if it were a thing, concept, or activity. In the next word, a gerund is a word that is formed from a verb but functions as a noun in a sentence. A gerund is a word that is formed from a verb से बनता है, but functions as a noun in a sentence. लेकिन एक वाक्य में नाउन का कार्य करता है और इसके अंत में क्या लगा होता है? आईएनजी. इट ऑलवेज एंड्स इन आईएनजी, वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, swimming is a great exercise. Swimming is a great exercise. Swimming has been used as a noun, means subject. But swim is a verb and ing has been added. That is why it is gerund. Gerund works as a subject. It becomes noun. Swimming is a great exercise. In this, swimming acts as the subject of the sentence, and it is a gerund. It is a gerund. So you will see how the gerund is working. एज ए सब्जेक्ट काम करता है, एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड कहाँ कहाँ काम करता है ये हम थोड़ा एग्जाम्पल से समझाने का प्रयास करेंगे. बिकॉज जीरंड्स act like nouns, they can occupy various positions in a sentence. जब ये नाउन के रूप में काम करते हैं जीरंड, तो ये कई पोजीशन सेंटेंस में प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. कई तरीके से इनका यूज होता है. जैसे एज ए सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट के रूप में होता है. रीडिंग एक्टिवेट्स योर ब्रेन. Read is a verb. Reading has been used as a subject of the verb. Subject in this sentence. Reading activates your brain. Reading is main topic of the sentence. This is as a subject. Now as a direct object. I love cooking. I love cooking. एज ए डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट यूज हुआ है, द थिंग दैट रिसीव्स द एक्शन ऑफ ए लविंग. एज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए प्रीपोजिशन, she is excellent at singing. She is excellent at singing. एट जो प्रीपोजिशन है उसको ये डिनोट करता है, फॉलो करता है, तो इसलिए प्रीपोजिशन का ये ऑब्जेक्ट है सिंगिंग. सो this is main functions of the gerund. Just like in the next video you will see the present participle, difference of gerund and present participle, how are they important in forming a sentence. So up to here I have explained in this video. Further things you will see in the next video. Till then, thanks.